awkward shit I've ever seen in my life.
Your bride has arrived.
Okay, look, y'all, look.
Oh my god.
She's so pretty. She reminds me of my Aunt Linda. Okay, let me get it.
So beautiful.
Okay.
Hi.
Y'all, this is crazy. He's already said hi to her. Listen to what she about to say.
What am I supposed to do? Stand here and wait for my groom?
And wait for her groom, y'all. She don't. She's like, where is he? Where is my groom? Oh my God.
Nikki,
Ah!
meet for the very first time your husband to be, Sean.
She's like, and then look at her look at the door, like, where is he?
Mickey with the dimples.
I know you fucking lying. She's like, ah! This is so awkward. Secondhand embarrassment.